Hello, welcome to another video of Coding with Rodney. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your sprite talk. So I'm going to go through the sprite real quick. Oh, Abby over here can talk. So what we're going to do is when flag clicked, choose this and sound. No, it looks like you grab this, say hello, or think all this stuff over here. You can choose. So I'm gonna make her say hello for 2 seconds. And let's say she wants to talk about her weekend. So say hello. Another say hello block. But this time we're gonna say my weekend. I had pizza in the Eiffel Tower. But what we want to do over here is not say it's back to back. So we're going to get a motion block. Actually, it's not a motion block. It's in control. Wait. I'm going to make her wait. Therefore, she talks about her weekend. And make it wait 2 seconds. And now, when we press it, she's going to say about her hello, wait 2 seconds. In my weekend, I had pizza at the Eiffel Tower. We're going to do another 2 seconds and make her end her weekend. And now we're going to say goodbye, as this is going to be the end of the video. If you guys give me 50 likes, I will make a part 2 where Abby talks to another sprite. Goodbye. Make sure to reach that 50 like video. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Peace. Dun dun.